Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I'm Cheryl. So in today's video, I decided to record my makeup even though I'm just gonna run some errands and do a couple of things that I have to do. And I wanted to show you my go-to makeup that I do usually every time or just to work, which is something neutral, very light and neutral. This could be considered a basic makeup. It's just a simple get ready with me. And if you want to see how I did this look, keep on watching. I'm going to prime my face, and I'm going to be using the Hard Candy Hydrating Primer. It's one of my favorites, and I haven't used this in a while, and I miss it. This really has a good grip. Makes your foundation last all day. Especially if you have oily skin, I highly recommend that. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. And this color is Shell Ivory. And I'm going to be using my sponge. Where's all this hair coming from? I hardly have no hair. There hasn't been any new foundations out lately, right? That's kind of been quiet. I mean, am I wrong? I haven't heard of anything new. For concealer, I'll be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is in shade Light Ivory. I'm almost running out of it. The good thing about that concealer is that you need so little of it. A little goes a long way, so it lasts a long time. I'm gonna set everything with the Milani Make It Last setting spray. I like doing this now because I have oily skin and it works way better. I'm gonna set everything with the Flower Beauty Bakery powder. Eyebrows, I just do an outline first with eyeshadow and an angled brush. And then I fill it in. So simple. That's why I never film it, so I don't use nothing special or fancy. For today's look, I'm going to be using Wicked Sisters Cosmetics. This palette is the House of Horrors palette. And I want something neutral today, so I'm going to go in with, I'm going to start first with Pocket Knife right here. And put that all over my crease and above. So I gotta run a couple of errands. That's why I want something more subtle and neutral. Which is usually my go-to everyday makeup, I guess. I use tones like this. Then I'm gonna deepen it up with, I don't know if I want Urban Legend or Hitchhiker. I think I'm gonna use Hitchhiker, which is this one. That's gonna go in the crease and in the outer corner. I'm gonna use a smaller brush. This one was the Lavish Tapered Blending, by the way. But the one I'm gonna use now is it's like that, but it's smaller, if I could find it. This one is also from, no, this is Luxie 237 blending. blind as a bat, I swear. I want to get contacts. Okay, let's go in with that color. I'm just gonna keep this one in the crease mainly. A little above my crease because I have hooded eyes, but not that much. I'm gonna go with my first brush and blend those two colors together, just so there isn't any harsh lines. I'm gonna take that big brush, that first shade, and just pop it in the bottom. Now I'm gonna take Sledgehammer and just fade that out at the bottom. I'm gonna take Hitchhiker, the one I put in the crease on the lower lash line, with something like this, a little smudge brush. I'm gonna add some black eyeliner in the waterline and some mascara, and I'll be right back. I'm not gonna add mascara yet because I'm gonna add eyeliner. I'm gonna try to do a little wing eyeliner, and I'm gonna use this one from Dragon Liner. I went ahead and put on fake eyelashes, and I used Lava Lashes in Style Charm. I just trimmed them to make just an outer corner lash. Now I'm gonna bronze my face using my usual, the NYX palette, this one right here, just to add some color to my face. I'm gonna take the Hard Candy highlighting duo, and I'm gonna use both. I'm gonna mix both. Let's take both and just do that. Lately I haven't been into blush, so I'm gonna skip it. I've never really been a blush person. Like, I don't really like it, and I can never find a color that I like. So I'm basically just skipping on that for now. Maybe one day I'll purchase one, and if it's the right color that I like, I'll go back to it. But right now, I'm not eager to find anything. For lips, I'm gonna be using the CoverGirl Outlast Ultimate Matte, and this is the shade Prosecco Pop, which is this one. Just my go-to nude lip. I don't know, boring, but I like it. And these last all day. They're really good. I pinched back my bangs, and now they're completely up. I can't get it back to how it was. Anyway, this is the final look. What do you think? I know it's basic, except for the big ass wing that I wasn't going for, but it just got bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. But I'm not mad at it, so I like it. Sometimes when I'm just on the go and like an everyday type of thing, to go to work or just to run some errands, I really love using neutral colors. That's like my go-to eyeshadows for day-to-day errands or for work. This is basically what I do. A nude lip and neutral on the eyes. Sometimes I even skip the eyeliner. In this case, I just wanted to add a little something to it. Plus, I wanted to use this palette today because I really do enjoy this palette a lot. It's become one of my favorites. I mean, you could do something really bold, bright, or you can do something neutral and natural. So it's perfect for everything. And the quality is really good. So I hope you like it. And thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to get notified every time I upload. And if you enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys. Let that dry. I did not put the microphone where it's supposed to be. I need a new brain. Look at that. Click off. hair. But if you want it even simpler,